Performance supplements promise more strength, energy, and muscle gains, and True Nutra Performance Max claims to deliver all that. But does it actually work, or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So True Nutra Performance is marketed as an all-in-one pre-workout and plus performance booster with ingredients like creatine, beta-alanine, caffeine, BCAAs, and nitric oxide boosters. The brand promises increased energy, strength, endurance, and recovery. Basically a one-stop super supplement for workouts and gains. Advertisements also highlight mental focus and pump enhancement. Here's why it could actually help. Creatine monohydrate, one of the most studied and proven supplements for strength and muscle gains when paired with resistance training. Caffeine, well known to boost energy, alertness, and workout intensity when taken pre-exercise. Beta-alanine can help delay muscle fatigue in high-intensity training. These ingredients individually do have research backing, and when combined thoughtfully, they can support performance improvements. That said, the doses matter, and we'll get into that. But here's the important part. The brand doesn't disclose exact clinical dosages for key ingredients. You don't know if you're getting effective amounts. Supplements are only effective when the ingredients are properly dosed. Many performance products overpromise instant transformation, and true gains come from consistency, training plan, diet, and recovery, not a single supplement. Independent verified reviews outside the brand site are limited, and most testimonials are on the brand's own page, not third-party platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, which makes real user feedback hard to confirm. So does True Nutra Performance Max actually work? Sort of, but with a catch. The concept and many of the individual ingredients are solid and research-backed, and they can contribute to energy and strength improvements when used with proper workouts and nutrition. But because exact dosages are unclear and marketing overstretches the potential, it's not magic. It's best viewed as a supportive supplement, not a shortcut to instant muscle gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.